The demand for phones to be as tiny as possible, powerful, speedy, and long-lasting on a battery is what makes them so popular. Fortunately, as shown by some of Samsung's earlier models, smartphone makers have done a fantastic job satisfying this apparently contradictory need. The Samsung Galaxy S25 will be one of the company's thinnest smartphones since the Note 20 Ultra, according to recent reports. If a recent leak about the Galaxy S25 Ultra is true, it might get inspiration from an unlikely source. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a body thickness of 8.4 mm, making it the thinnest Samsung Ultra model we have seen since the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, which had an overall thickness of 8.1 mm but a larger camera bump than most other models, according to a recent leak, which also revealed a surprising potential basis for certain design changes. Oddly, Ice Universe also confirmed a prior leak that said the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be shaped more rounded than other phones, saying it would resemble the 2016 Galaxy Note 7. Nevertheless, Samsung seems to have gone beyond that design decision, since there has been no hint of a curved screen coming back. It is understandable that some of our younger viewers would not remember the Galaxy Note 7, given Samsung's efforts over the years to disassociate itself from the gadget. Although the phone had a serious issue, it also featured some great features, such as improved SPEN compatibility and superb cameras for the time. Thankfully, it doesn't seem that Samsung is using that particular design in their next Ultra model. In 2016, Samsung formally recalled the phone because of a serious design defect in the batteries that led to overheating and sometimes explosions. The improved 50-megapixel output is a significant improvement, albeit preserving the criticized decreased telephoto lens from the Galaxy S24 Ultra. There are many circulating rumors about the chipset, with some referring to MediaTek and others stating Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.